Question 7.2. Samuel took out a home loan for 500k at an interest rate of 12% per annum, compounded monthly. He plans to repay this loan over 20 years, and the first payment is going to be made 1 month after his loan is granted. Calculate the value of Samuel's monthly installment. All right, so what this question, the crux of this question is, we are given an amount that he has to pay off. He's borrowed that. He's taken a loan. And he's been given an amount of time to pay it off and at what interest it must be paid off. Now, what they've asked us is to meet these requirements in this time frame and interest and quantity, how much should he be paying? That's all that this question is asking. Not too complicated. It's just identifying everything and plugging in and isolating. So I've given us the formula we'll be using, and this is on your formula sheet. But the difficult part in this question is identifying what you need to do and then plugging in. So X value over here is the installment he'd be paying every month. This is the interest, the time frame, and then the interest again to pay off an amount, namely 500k in this example. Now, his installments are going to be paid monthly, so there's a little bit of an alteration we must make, but it's not difficult. So to show everything that we have, we've got 500,000 equal to X. That's what we want to calculate. 1 minus 1 plus. All right, what's our interest? 0.12. Now, look here. This is per annum, and he is paying off his loan per month. So we must be dividing that by 12 to figure out how much he's paying every month. Minus, is it a minus? It is a minus, right? Yeah. Yes, it's a minus. Sorry. So, minus, what's the time frame we will be working with? 20 years. How many months are in 20 years? Well, that's just 20 times 12. 240. So, 240. Bracket. And then I again, 0.12 is our percent, but it's in months. So divide by 12. Now, all we need to do is solve for X. Now, this is just a lot of algebra and calculators, so I'll keep quiet while I do this. And just make sure you work slowly and calmly and keep track of everything that's going on. Put that over there. What's all of this equal to? Let's find out. I actually think the most difficult part of this question is just plugging it in on your calculator, because I often make mistakes on my calculator and then get the entire problem wrong. I'm going to take that all the way to the end. And then X should be equal to $35. I get X, so his monthly installment, 43. Yeah, that looks right. So 5,505 Rand. So this is the amount he's going to have to pay every month to meet the deadline, and an interest of 12% per annum. So yeah, just as you can see, it was just plugging in, identifying, and solving. So not too difficult, but just keep your wits about you and make sure you don't mess up the algebra. That can be quite tricky. And that's the problem solved.